Hi, everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to navigate the website Fantastic Fiction, which can be used to help patrons determine exactly what book they might be looking for. So the URL for this site is fantasticfiction.com. Hit enter. Now you see here that keep in mind that fiction is a very broad title. So it still has mysteries, thrillers, fantasy. If you scroll down to the bottom, I think there's even, oh yeah, there's more listed, young adult, urban, children. So they have pretty much every genre. Now, there are three ways that you can browse on Fantastic Fiction: author, book, and series. We're going to start with author. And this was actually a question I had at work not that long ago. So we're going to go to Louise Penny. I had a patron who was asking for her second book. All right, so here we're at Louise Penny. It shows her newest book that just came out this past month. And she only has the one series. So these patrons had just read Still Life and were wondering what the next one in the series was. And here we have it right here, A Fatal Grace. So that's the easiest way of finding the answer to that question on Fantastic Fiction. A lot of library catalogs won't tell you exactly where in a series a book is, so that's why this website comes in handy. But let's demonstrate the other two ways of navigating on here. So we're going to go to book. And for this example, we're going to use Dan Brown's newest book, Secret of Secrets. Type that in. All right, here we go. Secret of Secrets. So we're going to click on that. And it shows you the author. It shows you that it's the sixth book in the Robert Langdon series. And it gives a brief synopsis. So that's how to search by book. But remember, there's also series. So to demonstrate how to search on series, we're going to use the same example. And we're just going to type in Robert Langdon. Hit find. Here we go. Robert Langdon, 8 books. So now this lists all of the books in the Robert Langdon series in order: Angels and Demons, Da Vinci Code, and so on and so forth. Now, the reason why I wanted to use this series as an example is because Dan Brown has 2 other books, Deception Point and Digital Fortress, that are not part of the Robert Langdon series. So let's say you have a patron coming up asking that very question, and you can go to Fantastic Fiction and you have the answer right here. They are standalone novels. They are not in the Robert Langdon series. So that is Fantastic Fiction, which is a great resource for any librarian or library assistant. So thank you for tuning in.